Welcome to the Riggin Farm YouTube channel. I thought I'd do something a little bit different today and show you what my typical day is as far as chicken chores go. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning, kids have school today, so they're in the house getting ready. I'm out getting the chickens ready. I'm gonna get them some food, let them out of their coop, make sure they've got water. And that's how I start my morning, every morning. I didn't have the camera on while I was getting the food for them because it would have been very loud and probably blown out your eardrums if you were listening to me. Sounds like we got some hungry girls this morning. Morning, babies. It's hard to see you in the dark. Here's Goldie. She's the brightest, so it's easiest to see her. We'll let them enjoy their breakfast, and we'll come check on them a little bit later in the morning and afternoon. Several hours later, clearly the sun's out now. Not only is the sun out, but some of the chickens are out, and they're excited to see me. Got a barn velder and a well summer out, as usual. The barn velders are the worst. They always escape. We have this Premier One fencing meant for poultry. It's horrible. It keeps some of the chickens in, but most of them escape on a regular basis. Let's see if we can get them to go back in. Hey, babies. And now they're all gone. And they love over here by the tree, looking for some bugs. They're always digging right here. You can see they love digging right here. There must be some good bugs in there. This tree was actually infested with beetles, and we had to cut part of it off. As you can see, there's a lot of damage there. Them escaping gives us a little time to go inspect the nesting boxes. Let's go check that out. The two girls that had escaped are actually the only two left in the area now because they realized that they like food, and this is where all of their pellets are. The well summer escaped by the time I turned the camera around, but it's okay. This little barn velder knows that she likes her pellets. Let's see if we have any eggs. The girls are excited to see me looking at their eggs. We got 5, which is pretty good. The bad thing is I forgot to bring my little egg basket out here because I'm not used to getting that many eggs. A basket that can hold several dozen is really convenient when you have more than a handful of eggs to pick up. I'm so used to only having like 1 or 2 at the most these last couple weeks that I didn't really think about it. Well, it's okay, lesson learned. Tomorrow I will make sure to bring the basket out. Your water's a little low, so I suppose I should fill that up. Pepper's letting me pet her. It's Belvedere the barn velder. As you can see, it's later in the evening now. Sun's almost down. The girls will put themselves to bed, so I don't even have to worry about chasing them around. I left the fence down all afternoon so they could run around in free range and eat the grass and all that good stuff. And as soon as it starts to get dark, they put themselves in their coop. They put themselves to bed, and all I do is lock up their coop so that the predators can't get to them at night. So that's it. That's the amount of time it takes to take care of chickens every day. You wake up, you feed them, let them out of their coop, let them eat, do their thing, check the nest to see if they have any eggs. When it starts to get dark, you lock them up and keep them safe overnight. It's simple. I spend less than 5 minutes taking care of the chickens every day. There are times when there's more work involved, when you clean up the coop or take on any other larger projects. Obviously, it takes more time than that. But as far as regular daily maintenance, less than 5 minutes every day. As always, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and comment below if you have anything to say, and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time. Bye.